welcome to Brina Creations. In this video I'll be showing you another way to decorate cakes easily, this time around using fondant. Please feel free to check the description box for a link to the blog post I made on how to make fondant icing. I know this fondant is not smooth, and that's because the cake was not level, and then I didn't get to fill it with buttercream before placing the fondant on top of it, but it's cool. So I placed here at the corner of the cake 3 different colors of ready-made flowers. I purchased this. I didn't get to do it because I didn't have the time and I had to deliver to a customer as soon as possible. So I just used a leaf nozzle and piped in 3 leaves at the edges of the flowers. I also used the tiny star nozzle to pipe in little green stars around and then wrote happy birthday on the cake, which I did using the cream colored buttercream. Does this not look good already? As far as I'm concerned, it looks gorgeous already, but there is more to it. Stay tuned. So now I got a bit crazy with the cake and I decided to pipe more colors using the same small star nozzles, as well as a happy birthday using this time around a lilac color to give it that duplicate, beauty. Another reason I use the off-white buttercream to pipe on the fondant is to help correct any errors while writing, because if you use a different color it will be difficult to correct. Now you see that you can't even see all the gallops that were on the fondant before all these beautifications happened on the cake. And then now it's ready for packaging and delivery. Does this cake not look gorgeous? Tell me. It's very simple, honestly, but it's also beautiful. So do you like it? Drop your comments below, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.